Today we have two goals. We have a main and a bonus. Our main goal is to find an affordable and popular hairspray for college students, and our bonus, which I will let you guys do and then I will give you the answer to, is to find a gel product or products that were more popular in 2022 than 2019. To do this, we'll be using queries, aka searches, but the reason why we want to use queries instead of just looking at the whole data frame will be seen if we just look at the whole data frame. So let's do that. We will import pandas as PD, name our variable, use vcsv, say where our data frame is, and then we'll print it. Wonderful. So let's do this. Wonderful. So we have all of our data here, but we only really care about affordable, popular. There's more than affordable, there's more than popular products. And hairsprays. We have way more than hairsprays. We have all of this data we just don't need. So that's why we use queries. So in order to do this, let's start off slow. Let's start off small. We'll get rid of this. And, we'll comment this out. So, to do a query, it is stored in a variable. So we'll just start off by naming our variable, and we'll do main_q, or mq. And then, to use a query function, we have to say what data set, or what data frame we want to use. We want to use hair products, so let's put hair products. And then the query function. So all you put in query is a condition that that has to be true for the roast to come out. So the first thing we want is affordable. What I have defined as affordable is the, let me get a better one, under 10 column. Is that true? This is what we'll say is affordable. So, in order to only get the rows that have this condition, let's write it. We'll do single quotes. We'll say we want under 10 to be true. Do keep in mind when we're dealing with bools, which is what the under 10 column is, we have to use this true. We have to use this true. Because this true, and this true, as you can see, this true is blue. The last true is a keyword. It represents a 1. These other two trues are strings. They are not a keyword. So do keep in mind Python is very sensitive when it comes to that. Anyway, we have this, and like all variables, we gotta print it. So let's do print mq, and let's do that. Oops. Oh. We have to do double quotes because single quotes is assigning, double quotes is trying to see if something's equal. Oh, let's see. Wonderful! I figured it out. So now we only have, if you see this column, we only have what we consider affordable rows now. We have products that are affordable, but we don't have popular. What are we going to define popular as? We are going to define popular as I am. It's going to be, is in 2024, because most recent, more popular, is the column 2024, does it have either more than or equal to 800 searches? So let's add the condition. We're just going to, we'll take this, we'll copy this, and then we'll just comment this out, and then we'll do, actually, no, let's be cool. We're going to keep in the same one. We're going to just go under that single quote and put and because we want this condition to be true and this condition to be true. So let's do what this condition is. We'll do 24 is greater than or equal to 800. Wonderful. So let's save that. Let's clear this. Okay, now we have quote-unquote popular and affordable sprays, or not sprays. We have just hair products. We care about only the sprays. We only care about that. So we gotta add it. Let's do another and, because we want all of these to be true. We'll say we want type to equal, and since we have a string, we want it to equal the string spray. We have to use double quotes and put the word spray in there. Now with an A, spray. Now let's see what this gets us. Whoops. Oh, double quote, or not double quotes, double equal signs. I'll get it one day, guys. I'll get it one day. Now we have only one. We have it is affordable, it's true, it is popular, and it's a spray. Wonderful. So now we got this bonus. I'll give you 2 seconds to do it. 1, 2, wonderful. Okay, so I'll give you the answer now. I hope that was enough time. We'll just name it BU. We use hair products. You don't get a point mark down if you didn't do BU. If I can't spell products. We'll do the Corey. And so we want it to be gel. So we want the type to equal gel, which is in double quotes. Or, that or in there. Or we want the product to be more popular 2022 than 2019. AKA this, where is it? This row is bigger than this row. So let's do that. We'll do this row is bigger than this row. Okay. Let's save that. We'll comment this out for now so we can just see what this does. Oh, and we have to print it. All the silly mistakes today. Oops. Oh my. Okay. We are going to cut it here. Oh my god. Ah. Ah. Okay. 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 Cut. Okay. Now that we have our Corey, let's print it out. I need to clear this. Now that we have our Corey, let's print it out. Well, all we gotta do is we will do print BQ, and just to not make it confusing, let's just comment this out, and let's see what happens. Oh. I don't know what the problem is. Is it because this is capitalized? Oh my god, I suck. Okay, I figured it out. Goodness gracious. I don't know if it's here, so we'll just. Now that we have our Corey, now that we have Corey, now that we have our Corey, we can print it out. Actually, blah. Before we, so I do realize that I made a mistake. This is supposed to be double quotes, once again. But now that that is fixed, we can print out our Corey. To not make it confusing, we will see this. We will comment this out, and let's print it. We'll do print BQ. We'll save that, and then let's just wonderful. So we have oh. Okay, wonderful. I got to do no, not yet. Now that we have our Corey, actually, so before we can print out our Corey, I did realize that I did make a mistake. Once again, I forgot the double equal sign, but now that we got that, we can do print BQ. And just to not be confused, let's take this print statement away, and let's save that. And wonderful. Now we have the gels or products that are more popular in 2022 to 2019.